Hello, young lady. My name is Biola, Olamilekan's wife to be. And I'm pregnant for him. You surprised? Sherry, I wasn't desperate to have him initially. But Batimoto, oh, love it. And you're not ready to let him go. You're just using him. I'm here to help him.
Look here, young lady. I don't know you. And seriously, I don't even want to know you. Yes. Don't tell me double cross. What kind of rubbish is all this? Look, listen to me and listen real good. Biko is a man and he's free to do whatever pleases him. That is none of my business. You're coming now. Yes, really. No, please. So I better right now go whatever tobacco moto go because I have a very important place to go to. Please excuse me, Joe.
Bravo. Good lecture. Show you Jackie Sokini Kofwe. Oma so wípé ẹni tó bá ní kí la máa ṣe, òun la ṣe kíni, nǹkan kan la ṣe o. I don't have none of your time.
So, Osobo ferry me, so it may not be me, like, Professor.
I have something to tell you.
Master?
I've decided to put my mind into thoughts. I'm so sorry for bringing confusion, and I'm sorry for being human. I'm sorry for being self-centered, and I'm sorry for each time I have hurt you. I'm sorry for being sometimes complicated. And I'm sorry for making you feel frustrated. I'm sorry I've kept you away from your peers. And I'm genuinely very sorry I kept you away from your senses. Leko, I'm so sorry I made you go through stress. Hello? Okay. I'm on my way.
So... Close up, Professor.
Oh. It's no longer important. Yes, apparently no. Keep secrets.
What do you mean by keeping secrets?
Your lads, your unborn child,
Clara!
Naughty chick. Party animal. Idiot.
Ojú ẹ ti já báyìí sí. Ọ̀tá ẹ ti kú. Níṣẹ́ ló yẹ kó gbà ló kó máa jó. Tó bá ní kí ló ṣe é, kó sọ pé ọ̀rẹ́ yàn ta ọ̀rẹ́ yàn òdì. Ṣé kí wọ́n sọ kí ní kan fún ẹ? O lè force ìyàwó lọ́rọ̀ rẹ̀. You can't force a man to stay with you.
Ẹ gbà mí.
And not even by killing a fellow human.
Kí ló ń sọ lẹ́nu yìí? Ẹ gbà mí o, ẹ gbà mí, ẹ gbà mí, ẹ gbà mí. Àìtètè mọ́lé ò lè mú lóko. Kí ló ń tọ́ láti sọ? Ó fẹ́ ti gbogbo ẹ̀ mọ́ mi àbí? Dúró náà, kò sí kan tó pè mí àti gẹ́ ìpọ̀ náà. Jẹ́ kí n sọ kíní kan fún ẹ. Gbogbo ayé ló mọ̀ wípé ìwọ àtọmọ yìí ó lẹ́jọ́ ní nǹkan papọ̀. Àmọ́ náà gbogbo wa la mọ̀. Ẹni tó ń gbóúnjẹ sórí tébùlù ẹ̀. Ẹjọ́ ní joint account. Ó fún ẹ níṣẹ́. Àkọ́kọ́ ó lose iṣẹ́. Ẹ̀kejì, ó kó gbogbo owó inú account yẹn. O ò ní right to work sí account yẹn mọ́. Lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ kí la rí? Ikú ẹ̀. Gbogbo ayé ti mọ̀ pé wọ́n ló pa náà. Àjẹ́ké lánàá, ọmọ kú lẹ́yìn. Ta ni o mọ̀ wípé àjẹ́ tó ké lánàá ló pọ̀ ọmọ tó kú? Jọ́ sórí Ọlọ́run, ṣórí jẹ́ kí n sọ kíní kan fún ẹ. Ṣórí ibi tó yẹ kó ra wà tó jí rọra wà láàrin àwa méjèèjì. Ibẹ̀ náà ni kó ra jẹ́ kó rọra dúró mọ́. Àmọ́ tó bá choose láti blow trumpet, kó tó blow ẹ̀, èmi gangan fúnra mi ní máa pariwo ẹ̀ síta. Máa tú àṣírí ẹ̀, máa sọ gbogbo
ẹ̀. Shut up! Kí ló ń sọ tí ò dùn mọ́ ẹ lẹ́nu? So, kí ló ń try láti sọ́nsìn? Ó fẹ́ máa imply wípé bóyá èmi mo pa àbí?
Èmi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o, àmọ́ ó jọ gàtè kò jọ gàtè. Àwọn méjèèjì fẹsẹ̀ pé méjèèjì ṣe kàtèkàtè. Mi ò mọ̀ o.
Anyway, for your information, ó mọ̀ pé mi ò lè pa. Because she was my help and my fortress. At least she made me who I am today. Fine, I was trying to cut out all her excesses, but you know me kí n máa pa èèyàn bí ẹlẹ́ran rabbit tèmi.
Alright, kò sí problem. Èmi náà lè pààyàn. Ṣó ti gbọ́? So àwọn méjèèjì the same shoes now.
You know what?
Yeah.
This woman right now, mi ò lè trust anybody more. Nítorí pé àwọ̀ fẹ́lẹ́ bonú, kò jẹ́ ká rí kan àṣírí. Anybody tí a wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó bá ṣímọ́ lórí, màá fi mọ́ ẹ̀fọn fèrè.
Okay. I wish you good luck. I'm sorry about the loss.
This is all you need to have, sir. It contains the pictures on the memory card.
Yes, I must confess I appreciate you. This is your money.
All right, sir.
I watched the telecast myself and you know what? I drove my car.
I hope there would not be any breach of trust on this. And for records, I've never met you before, sir. Thank you.
Clara James. People come into our lives for a reason. They have come to assist us through a difficulty. They provide us with guidance and support. They may seem like a godsend, and indeed they are. But at an inconvenient time, these people will do or say something to bring the relationship to an end. Sometimes they walk away. sometimes they act up and force us to take a stand. And most times, they die. Now it is time to move on. Even though you have gone forever, I am sure you are everywhere, and your parts in my life remain evergreen in my memory. If I am given a minute to narrate the story of my life, this story is incomplete if your name is found missing. You will never be remembered because you will never be forgotten. I will miss you throughout my lifetime. Continue to rest in the bosom of the Lord. May your gentle soul rest in peace.
May our gentle soul rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
And there is nothing anybody can do. God giveth and what? And taketh. Kò sí ohun tá a lè ṣe sí i. Ẹ ká gbà f'Ọlọ́run. Meanwhile, mo ní láti sọ ilé ìfún gbogbo wa. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá máa wá síbí láti wá fi ọ̀rọ̀ wá ẹ̀yin òṣìṣẹ́ lẹ́nu wò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Clara. And I want you to give them maximum cooperation. Is that clear? Yes. Kan lè rí wa pé ibi iṣẹ́ ti wa, we are transparent. May God be with everyone. Sorry.
Hello, ẹ mà kálẹ̀. Mo ní kí n béèrè náà ni pé how far pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn bí ẹ tiẹ̀ ti ní any information fún wa bí any clue lórí ẹni tó ṣiṣẹ́ yìí. Láti jọ yìí nígbà tẹ́ bá fogún ọdún pilẹ̀ wèrè ọdún mélòó gan-an lẹ fẹ́ fi jàjà. Ga o. But ẹ ṣáàjọ ẹ tètè bá wa jára mọ́ ẹ máa tún pè yín tó bá dẹ̀ pé yín náà lẹ kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ anything ẹ pè mí tó bá dẹ̀ pé èmi náà ni mo gbọ́ nǹkan kan máa pè yín. Ok ẹ ṣé o.
Festus, I know you very well, and I know what you are capable of doing. But I need your help. No one could have traced it to you. Mrs. Fadekemi Otun is a very powerful woman, and she will not stop until she has gotten an answer from me. Please, I need your help. I keep wondering why you should be seeking for my help. You are the police boss. So why don't you call the shot? Do your work. Do your business. I'm no longer in service and you know it. So why do you need me? Festus, I am your boss. And I am your boss any day. Yes, boss, and no one is disputing that. But I am no longer in service like I rightly said. And you can't keep manipulating me the way you did when I was in service. Oh, have you forgotten? You have forgotten what happened when I assisted you to cover your shady deal. You would forget so soon. You went ahead and betrayed me. And that obviously cost me my job. You went ahead, you killed all my boys because you don't want them to come to the court to testify against you. You killed destinies. You killed promising futures. And you still have the guts to come to me and seek for my help. But I spared your life, Festus. And I didn't let you go to jail. I could have ordered them to shoot you too and nobody would have queried me. Yes, you know that. But I just need your help. You should have done that. You should have killed me. You spared my life because you wanted me to be a devil tool to you. A tool you can use at any day, any time. Is that not what you're doing? And I'm not going to take that. You killed my life the day you killed my dream. And right now, I have no life of mine. So I don't care about anyone's life. Hey, shut up, Festus. Do you know you are talking to the area commander of police? Oh, yes, boss. I know. But please do your business and leave me and stop disturbing my life. And let me tell you something. You know I maintain same speed in every direction. Please do not force me to take a wrong direction. Because if you do, before you realize it, I would have gone far. And that could be disastrous.
Listen, I know you know something about her death. I saw what you wrote in the condolence register, and I'm going to expose you. I will let the whole world know the truth.
You, like I'm talking about the truth? Oh, it's okay. Let out the beans and let the entire world see its seeds. Oh, talk about the truth. Let it open. Do you think I'm scared? I'm not scared of being exposed. You don't know me. You don't know me at all. Let me tell you something. The truth is like a lion. It will defend itself. You let it loose, and definitely I'll defend myself.
I know you will not budge because you have my secrets too. But let me tell you this. I don't care what happens to me after I expose your nefarious activities. Listen, I promise you that you are going to rot in jail.
I know you don't care. You're happy deep down that she was murdered. Do you want to tell me that you would never wish her dead with the way she was manipulating you? You don't love her at all. Now you don't care because if you're sad, you rely on the money in the joint account so that you can fly to America to spend it or something. Is that not your plan?
How did you get to know all this? Oh, who told you I'm even planning to fly away?
Listen, young man. This life is not always in black and white. There are several other gradients and shades of colors. So, the more you look, the less you see. If you really care about the truth, then I would advise you to expose your own forged certificate and the fraud you made.
So you know about everything, right? Let me make this clear to you. If I found out that you are the one that murdered Clara, I will make sure I fight you with the last blood in my body.
And that's if you have blood left in you, my brother. Oh, you never loved her.
Yes, you stayed with her to compensate all she did for you. And do you know what love is? You already impregnated someone else. Oh, what do you know about life? You don't know anything. Can you stand to witness the love of your life brutally murdered and you can't do anything about it?
That's none of my business. Have a good day.
Fingers crossed, man.
Ẹ ṣé, Mr. Bolade. Ẹ kú ṣé. Olúwa máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Mo ti lọ rí àwọn ọ̀gá yín. Wọ́n dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀yin ni mo gbọ́dọ̀ wá rí. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀yin lẹ lè fún mi ní information nípa account details àti benefits Clara. Reason yẹn tí mo fi wá rí yín. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tẹ́ bá lè ṣe fún mi lórí ẹ̀.
Lóòótọ́ ni màá. Ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ kọ́kọ́ mọ̀ pé ẹni tó lẹ́rù òun ló lẹ́rù. Ṣé rí nípa nǹkan tí ẹ bá wà yìí nínú dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì tí ó wà ní iwájú mi bí ó jẹ́ kí màá realize kankan pé Mr. Lekan òun ni Clara fi ṣe next of kin, which means without Mr. Lekan ẹnì kankan ò lè gba $1 kúrò lákàntì.
Lekan. Tí mi ò bá ní ṣe mistake, Lekan yẹn jẹ́ fiancé Clara. Àbí?
It seems so.
Òun ló wá fi ṣe next of kin. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló wà.
Mo wá fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ kankan. Mr. Bolade. Lekan tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ pa ẹ̀. Òun àti Clara ọmọ mi ti jà for long. Wọn ò sí papọ̀ mọ́. Oníkálùkù ti gba ọ̀nà tí ẹ lọ. Mi ò sọ wípé kò fi ṣe next of kin. Ṣùgbọ́n èmi gangan ni mo bí ọmọ yẹn. Èmi ni ìyá ẹ̀. Yes, èmi ni mo bí. Mo lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti gba àwọn ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ mi tó bá wà nílé iṣẹ́ ìjáde.
Okay, madam. Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ òfin kò gbá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mú yàrá ṣẹ́gẹ̀t without Mr. Lekan ẹ̀yìn lè gba ṣíṣe $1 ẹ̀yìn gbà ọ́.
Ṣé èèyàn kan ló ṣòfin yẹn ni? No, sọ fún mi, just tell me, ṣé èèyàn kan ló ṣòfin ni? Ìyẹn ló ṣòfin yẹn náà ọ́.
Madam, ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí mo fi tán mi lè máa tán rárá torí bí ìyá tó bí mi náà bó ṣe rí lẹ́nu. Ṣẹ́gẹ̀t mi.
We are very much sorry for the death of your fiancé.
Ẹ ṣé gan sir.
Ìwádìí tí a ṣe ó fi hàn wípé ìjà wà láàrin ẹ̀yin àti Clara ní àsìkò tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn ṣẹ̀. And if you don't mind, can you tell us what exactly happened?
Sir, èmi rò wípé any big deal wà nínú wípé olólùfẹ́ méjì wọ́n ní gbólóhùn àṣà. And as a matter of fact, she was my fiancée. And kò sí big deal wípé yàn ní misunderstanding. But I think it's the first time pé a ti a máa níjà nìyẹn. Kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó mọ bá ṣe máa ń parí. Ipò yẹn àti ìyàwó íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì wà tẹ́ máa jà báyìí. So kò ń ṣe tuntun.
Ẹ dẹ̀ discover pé fiancé yín bá ẹnìkan jà tàbí kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ pé bóyá òun pẹ̀lẹ́ nìkan ní kind of misunderstanding or whatsoever.
The only thing tí mo kàn mọ̀ ni wípé ní ọjọ́ yẹn ó pè mí wípé níbo ni mo wà. Mo dẹ̀ béèrè pé why ló ṣe máa mọ ibi tí mo wà. Ó dẹ̀ sọ wípé òun ní strange feelings bákanbákan. Ó dàbí ẹni pé èèyàn kan ń tẹ̀lé òun, mọ́tò kan òun notice ẹ̀ ó tẹ̀lé òun káàkiri. Mo dẹ̀ sọ ibi tí mo wà fún torí pé mo ò sí nílé and she came right there. But ìgbà tí mo dẹ̀ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wípé kí ló fẹ́ sọ fún mi, ó dẹ̀ ní kí n má worry pé it was no longer important. So ó ní kò ṣe pàtàkì mọ́ kí n mọ nǹkan yẹn and that was all.
nínú ìwádìí tí a tún ṣe a rí wípé ó ti ń lọ bí oṣù mẹ́sàn-án tí ẹ ti engage and there is no plan for wedding even pẹ̀lú oyún oṣù mẹ́ta tó wà nínú ẹ̀kọ́ tó kù.
Oyún. Clara was 3 months pregnant. Ó ní oyún oṣù mẹ́ta. Anyway, sir, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe sọ, 9 months ago láti wà engaged, and as a matter of fact, I'm planning pé next year April òun ni wedding wa, and we don't want any kind of mistake like pé èèyàn ṣèṣì lóyún or something like that. So àti gbà yín láti decide that they didn't protect ara wa each time tabajọ wa, as you know what I'm saying. So àjọ máa ń lo condom regularly. So that was like 6 months ago. So that pregnancy is not possible, sir.
Autopsy report yìí fi yé wa wípé Clara was 3 months pregnant kó tó di wípé ó kú.
I don't know anything about it. Mi ò mọ nǹkan kan nípa ẹ̀.
Nínú ìwádìí tí a tún ṣe, ó ti fi orúkọ yín ṣe next of kin dípò ti màmá ẹ̀ 2 weeks kó tó di pé ó ṣaláìsí. What explanation do you have to that?
Ó change orúkọ mi as in ó fi mi ṣe next of kin 2 weeks before her death. That's strange. As in, sir, ṣe gbọ́. Right now, ẹ mọ̀ jù mí lọ. Because gbogbo nǹkan tí mò ń gbọ́ lẹ́nu yìí, ó ṣàjòjì sí mi. Inú òkùnkùn biribiri ni mo wà. It's okay. Ẹni náà ẹ̀ ṣe.
Nígbà tí a bá tún ní ìbéèrè kan, please.
Thank you, sir. Ẹ ṣé gan, sir.
Ẹ ṣé kẹ́.
Hello, barrister. Oh, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi gbé fóònù fún wọn. Ẹ ṣé. Hello. Ẹ káàsán, ṣé wà pa? A dúpẹ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ béèrè pé ṣé ilé bá ọkọ mi ṣe new company policy. Ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ nǹkan kan pa ẹ̀kẹ́. Mo ṣàrí no mi ṣe mọ nǹkan tí mò ń wá nulé mo kàn stumble on it náà ni no kò fi hàn mí. No mo rí DMD finance DMD admin no kò sórúkọ ń bẹ̀. Okay màá send ẹ. Okay. Ẹ ṣé gan ni, God bless you. All right.
Oh! Àwọn fẹ́lẹ́ bọnú. Kò jẹ́ àrí kan àṣírí. Balangba ló dákun délẹ̀. Jesus. Hello, madam. Clara, ma. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, more alright, ma'am. Mommy, how much are you, ma'am? I have something very important to tell you. Ọkàn yín ló pa Clara, ma. I have the evidence. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Mama, I'll be there. Okay. Yes, ma'am. All right, ma'am.
Which were implicated already. So àwọn ọlọ́pàá rí me as the primary suspect. Ọṣẹ́ wo ni mo fẹ́ fi wẹ̀ mọ́? Nígbà tó tún wá sọ fún mi wípé she was 3 months pregnant. I was so confused because 6 months ago, that's under protection because we were contemplating, getting married this year. So I didn't have any choice. Joey pé kí wọ́n yàn tó máa bá mi hack phone log ẹ lọ. Kí n mọ ẹni tó ń bá sọ̀rọ̀. Kí n dẹ̀ mọ gbogbo conversations wọn. A lè wẹ̀ máa lè mọ̀. A lè mọ ẹni tó wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. At least tí mo bá mọ ẹni tó ń bá sọ̀rọ̀. Tí mo dẹ̀ mọ conversations wọn. A máa mọ èèyàn tó wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
Can we meet this evening? Miss you. Why are you doing this? Have done the new company policy. I knew there is something going on, but mi ò lè really sọ̀rọ̀ torí wípé mi ò ní evidence. But with this, I know what to do. Mo rí kíní yẹn nù lé pé ó ṣe new company policy, but tí n bá sọ̀rọ̀, ó lè ní fún progress company ni. I know what to do now.
But madam, ẹ má bínú. Ní ìsìn tẹ́ ti ní evidence yìí, kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe lé lórí?
Báwo náà ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ẹjọ́ apààyàn? Kò sí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe ju pé kó rọ̀tì ń jẹ ọ lọ.
Ọkọ yín mà ní ẹni tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Èmi máa advice.
Why don't you mind your business?
Oh.
I want you to be the first person tí mo máa rí ní ọ́fíìsì mi lọ́la. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Go take care. Ó ṣé gan.
Ó dàárọ̀ mà.
Ó dàárọ̀. Yeah. Hello, Commissioner. Ẹ káalẹ́. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Mo fẹ́ send kíni evidence kan sí yín ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Yeah, so that a lè tún help wa lórí ìgbésẹ̀ tá bá tún máa gbé. Okay. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. Yeah, thank you very much. Madam ńkọ́ àtàwọn ọmọ. Olúwa ṣeun. All right, ẹ ṣé gan. Màá get across yín. Ẹ ṣé. Yeah, ó dára. Hello, barrister. Ẹ kálẹ́. No problem. A dúpẹ́ Olúwa ṣeun. Mo fẹ́ send the document kan sí yín ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. All right. Ẹ ṣé gan. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Okay. Yeah, màá mú bá yín ní chamber láàárọ̀ ọ̀la. Okay. Ẹ ṣé. Ó dàárọ̀. Yeah.
Area commander. Yes. Wípé ìyàwó mi ti go too far. Ẹ má dẹ́rù bà mí wípé penalty is either life imprisonment or death sentence. Nǹkan téèyàn ò ṣe tí mi. No, apart from pé ó tiẹ̀ wà influential because of father's position when he was alive. Toró tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ìyàwó mi pàápàá tó ń sọrú nǹkan báyìí jáde. Àwọn ayé á ní bó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn pé kò lè rí mi ti. Please, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀yin ni kẹ́ wá mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa gbà mí báyìí o because eré ti bẹ́ẹ̀ dùn lẹ̀ báyìí o. Ẹ̀dùn ti wá dọ̀lẹ́. Mo ti dọ̀lẹ́ báyìí. Ẹ̀yin ni kẹ́ wá gbìyànjú fún mi. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí akèrègbè mi kó lu nídìí débi wípé á di nǹkan ìmúṣeré fún ẹlẹ́mu. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. I will appreciate it. What is this?
Ó rí pé ìka ni wọ́n ọmọkùnrin. Ìka aláìda àgbàyà ni ẹ́. Èmi sì torí tiẹ̀ mo lé sílífádà nígbà tó fún lóyún. Ó rí pé ò dáa rárá, àgbàyà ni ẹ́. Àgbàyà olóṣì olórí burúkú ló fẹ́ yà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìwọ wá tún wá mú kinní jàgàjàgà tó ń gbé káàkiri ó tún wá lọ fi kàn dí ọ̀dọ̀ Clara ó tún lọ fún Clara lóyún.
Very good. Èmi mọ̀ wípé ọmọ bàbá olówó ni ẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ ti lo gbogbo connection tó inherit lọ́dọ̀ bàbá ẹ̀ káàkiri àbí? Wàá fẹ́ lò yẹn lé mi lórí. Fadékẹ́mi, mo dẹ̀ ń bá ẹ sọ lọ́tún, mo ń bá ẹ sọ lósì wípé ká fọgbọ́n tó láàrin ara wa kó má ní involvement ọlọ́pàá nínú débi pé a bọ́ sí press. Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ ó ń ṣe pátápátá.
Orúkọ wèrè wo ló ní? Dá mi lóhùn.
Tó bá wá rò pé mi tiẹ̀ lórúkọ ó irú ti ọmọ tó bí fún mi. Àwọn méjèèjì.
Àwọn ọmọ mi ò lè wà proud láti ní irú àpàyàn bíi tiẹ̀ yìí ní bàbá. And tó bá yẹ pé òun ronú pé bóyá mo máa ro anything mo ti ṣe rìhásà bí mo ṣe máa sunkún ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo kàn máa sunkún lójú ayé lásán nítorí òtítọ́.
Ọlọ́run ló mẹ́rin tó máa sunkún ẹnìkan. Fadékẹ́mi, ṣé o rò wípé mi ò mọ̀ pé wọ́n ló pa Sílífà ni?
One by olóyún. Olóyún fún yẹn ìwé ọ̀pọ̀ ṣe ń lò ẹ́ olóyún pápá mi.
Mọ̀ pé wàá mọ̀. Okay. Clara ló sọ fún ẹ àbí torí nǹkan tó wà láàrin ẹ méjèèjì. Ṣé ìtorí tiẹ̀ náà kọ́ ni mo ṣe pa?
Mo rán ẹ láti bá yọ.
Ṣé ìyẹn ló wá ní kíwọ náà lọ pa Clara? Ó rò pé mo kàn dídì ni pé kó máa bọ̀ wá ní síbi iṣẹ́ wa ni. Ṣebí torí pé kí n lè rí bí máa mójútó ẹni torí mo mọ̀ pé ó ní ìrànà onírìnkùnrin ni ẹ.
Fadékẹ́mi, I am also aware pé ìwọ ló pa Clara. Ìwọ mọ̀ wípé àdàbà kan ń pè gèdè bí ẹni pé ẹyẹlé ò gbọ́ títí rí báyìí lásán ló ń ti rí. Mo wà àwí àpéwọ̀ náà ló pa Clara. Yes, nítorí pé wọ́n ò mọ̀ in my own effort to protect you mo gba detective kó máa bá mi protect ẹ káàkiri láì mọ̀ pé ohun tó máa reveal fún mi ó kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ṣé mo mi ṣá mọ̀ pa Sílífà nígbà tí Sílífà lóyún fún ẹ mo dẹ̀ ń try láti bá Sílífà wí ó dẹ̀ yọ̀ ṣubú ó kú Clara dẹ̀ bá mi níbi tí mo ti ń try láti gbé Sílífà ó dà bímọ jọ torí Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣeré nìyẹn Sílífà bímọ jọ. Ó ṣubú ni ó ṣubú láti bẹ̀yẹ ó ṣubú ni ó yọ̀. Ó dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní blackmail mi. Clara, ó dẹ̀ jọ torí Ọlọ́run. Kí ni nǹkan tó feel pé mo lè ṣe fún ẹ tó lè fi bò mí láṣìírí?
Àǹtí kí ló tẹ́ ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí? Nígbà tí ó ń ṣe pé bóyá ẹ mọ̀ ṣe bí mistake ni àti pé tí bá ní kí n wò mélòó ni mo fẹ́ sọ ni mo fẹ́ kànú orí tẹ́tí ṣe ní ayé mi àǹtí. Ẹ wò mo wá fi àsìkò yìí má fi promise yín wípé ẹ dànù láyé kún ní gbọ́ lẹ́nu mi.
Are you sure? Yes, ma'am. Tó bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀, mo wá ń promise ẹ wípé kò sí nǹkan tó lè béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi tí mi ò ní ṣe fún ẹ. As a matter of fact, tí mi ò bá ní, máa gbìyànjú láti wá. Ṣé mo dúpẹ́? I really appreciate it.
Ó ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ mi, ó fẹ́ gba léṣe, ó tún máa gbọ́kọ́ mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́.
Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi promote Lékan sí head of accounts ma.
Torí tí ẹ̀kọ́ ni mo ṣe ni.
Èmi ò mọ̀ wípé orí bíbẹ́ ni oògùn orí fífọ́. Èmi ò mọ̀ wípé for every offence tí àwọn èèyàn bá ṣe against ẹ pípa ni. Ṣé bí àwọn tèmi mọ̀ nìyẹn? Mo mọ̀ pé wọ́n ló pa Sínífà, mo mọ̀ pé wọ́n ló pa Clara. Èèyàn mélòó ni mo mọ̀ tó o ti pa? Ìjọ́ wo ni mo mọ̀ pé o ti ń plan láti yanjú èmi pàápàá? Of course you have said it. Ṣé bó ní o ti sunkún èmi sílẹ̀ àbí? Amen tó máa kọ́kọ́ jọ́ lọ́hùn pé láàrin mi àti ẹ̀.
But tó bá ti ẹ̀rù nǹkankan wá ti ẹ̀rù táwọn ọmọ wa.
Mo rò bí wọn náà ṣe rò tó fi ní mi ò wúlò fún wọn. I cannot be a proud father for them.
Bí tí ẹ̀rù tèmi àti ẹ̀ngbà yẹn tó bá rò táwọn ọmọ.
Ta ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ẹ? Tìfẹ́ tó wà láàrin wa náà mo rò. Ìyẹn ló jẹ́ kí n tètè pọlọ́pàá wọlé so that ìyà tó bá fẹ́ jẹ kó jẹ́ láyé ń bí kó bá jẹ́ pé wàṣẹ ìdánrùn máa lọ jẹ̀yánú náà.
Madam, please don't waste our time. No, yeah, it's not allowed.
Ìyẹn ni mi nígbà. Ẹ ní kíyàwó mi jáde síta báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kó wọlé kó lọ pààrọ̀ aṣọ ẹ̀kẹ́. Mo ní confidence kò síbi tó ń lọ.
Clara, I was waiting for the day I was going to tell you I loved you, but I was late. May your soul rest in perfect peace.
talk.